Ndege iria igukuite mwiri wa mutigaire yombire kiharo-ini kia thukuru wa Kisii mathaa-ini ma thaa 5 cia kiroko na kuria athomeire mbere ya gutwarwo gwake mucii kuria akahurukio. Kuma haria ndege ino yombire nginyagia mucii-ini kwa mutigaire mwena wa Nyacii kaunti-ini ino ya Kisii, ugitiri ni ukugacirithitio na njira nene.
Tamane mpaka nyumbani, program yote itakuwa kule nyumbani.
Atongoria matiganite kuma kaunti-ini ino ya Kisii matongoretwo ni gavana James Ongwae nio mamukirire mwiri wa mutigaire ona gutuika gutire mundu witikirirwo kwirorera ta uria maundu maguthiaga na mbere. County Commissioner wa kaunti ino Harani Macharia nianireire andu 10,000 nio matanyitwo gugekinya igongona-ini ria kuhurukia Nyachae guku akiranira mibango yothe ni mikinyaniru.
Security arrangements have been heightened across the county and specifically around the Kisii Stadium, Kisii town and the Nyosia area where we shall be having the final rest of our late minister. Also, we have made security arrangements in as far as management of traffic is concerned.
Macharia ni aikirie ritana kuri muingi gugetikira guthingatithia mitaratara yothe ireheanitwo ni thirikari na muno yegemainie na kugitira murimu wa COVID-19.
We have put various hand wash points within the stadium that will be used by the members of public as they come for the funeral service. Also, the seating arrangement is in conformity with the 1 meter distance, social distance, and also everybody who will be coming to the field will have a face mask, and we shall have a few for those who may not have the face masks.
Nyachae egutura ririkanaguo kumana na utungata wake ta PC na oho atungatire ta minista wa urimi na iganda hindi ya utongoria wa president wa keri Daniel Moi na minista wa miako na minista wa kigina thirikari-ini ya Mwai wa Kibaki. Mwaka wa 2002 ni ahitahitanire gituro kia president na tigiti wa Ford People ona gutuika Mwai wa Kibaki niwe wayukirio hotani. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Wawira.